Have you ever wondered how unique our planet Earth is in the vast expanse of the universe? Picture this: the universe, an unfathomable expanse of space, is so massive that even our most advanced technology can't begin to measure its full breadth. It's like an endless ocean of darkness, punctuated only by the twinkling of distant celestial bodies. Now imagine trying to locate a single grain of sand in this cosmic sea. Sounds impossible, right? Well, that's precisely what locating Earth in the universe is akin to. The universe is home to an estimated 2 trillion galaxies. Yes, you heard that right, 2 trillion. Each of these galaxies houses billions, sometimes even trillions of stars. And around these stars orbit an uncountable number of planets, each one unique and mysterious in its own way. Our home, Earth, is just one of these many planets, tucked away in a quiet corner of the Milky Way galaxy. We're located in what scientists call the Goldilocks zone, a region that's not too hot, not too cold, but just right for life as we know it. Yet despite our seemingly insignificant position in the cosmic scheme of things, Earth stands out. It's not just another celestial body, aimlessly drifting through space. It's a vibrant, life-sustaining planet, bustling with activity and teeming with a diversity of life forms that is unparalleled in the observable universe. The universe is a grand stage, and Earth, with its unique characteristics and diverse life, plays a pivotal role. Each star, each galaxy, each planet contributes to the cosmic symphony, and Earth, with its rich tapestry of life, adds a melody all its own. So the next time you look up at the night sky and feel dwarfed by the sheer size of the universe, remember this: in the grand cosmic dance, our tiny blue dot has a part to play that's as unique as it is significant. In this infinite cosmic dance, one tiny blue dot stands out. That's us, Earth. Our story begins around 4.5 billion years ago, with a swirling cloud of gas and dust. Imagine, if you will, a cosmic dance taking place in the vast emptiness of space. This dance, performed by particles of gas and dust, slowly but surely began to form a cohesive structure. The particles, drawn together by the irresistible force of gravity, started to clump and cluster, eventually forming a spinning disk. At the heart of this disk, the pressure and temperature rose dramatically, igniting nuclear fusion and giving birth to our sun. But the story doesn't stop there. The remaining gas and dust in the disk didn't just fade away. Instead, they continued their dance, forming smaller clumps that gradually grew into the planets of our solar system, including our very own Earth. Earth, in its early days, was a hot and hostile place. Its surface was molten, constantly bombarded by comets and asteroids during a period known as the Late Heavy Bombardment. This bombardment not only shaped the Earth's surface but also brought water and other vital elements, setting the stage for the planet's future development. But even after the bombardment ended, Earth remained a fiery, inhospitable world. It took hundreds of millions of years for the planet's surface to cool and solidify, creating the first landmasses. Even then, it was not the green and blue world we know today. Instead, it was a barren, rocky landscape, devoid of life but ripe with possibility. As the eons passed, the Earth continued to evolve, shaped by forces both internal and external. Volcanic activity helped to form the atmosphere, while impacts from space brought more water and other elements. Over time, the Earth's surface changed from barren rock to a world covered in water, setting the stage for the next chapter in our planet's history. And so, from cosmic dust and gas, our planet was born. This is the story of Earth's humble beginnings, a tale of cosmic dance, fiery bombardment, and slow, steady transformation. It's a story that continues to unfold, even as we speak, reminding us of our place in the grand scheme of things. With the stage set, Earth began to evolve, becoming a haven for life. As the eons passed, a remarkable transformation took place. Our nascent planet, once a swirling mass of molten rock, began to cool and solidify. But that was just the beginning of the story. You see, Earth developed something truly extraordinary: an atmosphere. This protective blanket of gases, primarily composed of nitrogen and oxygen, shielded the Earth from harmful solar radiation and helped maintain a stable climate. It's like Earth grew its own personal bodyguard, a gaseous bouncer, if you will, keeping the riffraff out and the good stuff in. But the Earth didn't stop there. It added another layer of protection: a magnetic field. This invisible force field, generated by the churning of molten iron within Earth's outer core, acts as a cosmic deflector shield, bouncing away the solar wind and preventing our atmosphere from being stripped away. It's like Earth's own personal superhero, saving the day from solar villains. Then came another game changer: water. It's a common substance throughout the universe, but on Earth conditions were just right for it to exist in all three states: solid, liquid, and gas, something quite unique in our solar system. And as we all know, water is the lifeblood of our planet, the essential ingredient for life as we know it. And speaking of life, all these conditions, the atmosphere, the magnetic field, the water, they all combine to create the perfect environment for life to emerge. We don't know exactly how or when the first life forms appeared, but we do know that once life got a foothold, it thrived. So there we have it. Our Earth, not just a random rock hurtling through space, but a carefully crafted, life-sustaining sphere. A world that has evolved over billions of years to support a rich tapestry of life. Earth had now become a stage ready for the greatest show in the solar system: life. Once the stage was set, the actors began to appear. And what a diverse cast it was! Life on Earth began in the simplest of forms, as tiny, single-celled organisms in the primordial soup that was our planet's early oceans. Over time, these microscopic creatures evolved, becoming more complex and varied. From the earliest bacteria to the first multicellular organisms, life was starting to take center stage. But life is a drama, and it wasn't all smooth sailing. Our planet's history is punctuated by mass extinctions, cataclysmic events that wiped out a significant portion of life in a geological blink of an eye. These events, while devastating, were also catalysts for change. In the wake of each extinction, the surviving species adapted, evolved, and repopulated the Earth, leading to an explosion of new forms of life. Consider the dinosaurs. These mighty creatures ruled the Earth for over 160 million years, only to be wiped out by a catastrophic event, likely an asteroid impact. Yet, from their ashes rose the mammals, a group of warm-blooded, hairy creatures that would eventually give rise to us, humans. But humans are just a small part of Earth's grand tapestry of life. From the deepest ocean trenches to the highest mountain peaks, from the scorching deserts to the frozen poles, life has found a way to thrive in the most extreme conditions. The Earth is home to an estimated 8.7 million species, each uniquely adapted to their environment and playing a crucial role in the Earth's complex ecosystems. And it's not just about the animals and plants. Let's not forget about the fungi, the bacteria, the viruses, and the myriad other microscopic organisms that make up the majority of Earth's biomass. These tiny life forms are just as essential to the planet's health and functioning as the more visible inhabitants. So, from the tiniest microbe to the largest whale, from the humblest weed to the grandest tree, life on Earth is a testament to the power of evolution and the resilience of life. Despite the trials and tribulations, life persisted, resulting in the magnificent biodiversity we see today. But Earth is more than just a ball of rock floating in space, it's a living, breathing entity. This might sound like a mystical concept, but it's actually a scientific theory known as the Gaia Hypothesis. Proposed by British scientist James Lovelock, this hypothesis suggests that Earth itself is a self-regulating organism, maintaining the conditions necessary for life to thrive. Let's think about it for a moment. The Earth is constantly cycling elements essential for life: carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, and water, among others. These cycles aren't just random events, but an intricate dance choreographed by the Earth to sustain its inhabitants. Consider the carbon cycle, for instance. Plants absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere for photosynthesis, creating oxygen as a byproduct. Animals, in turn, breathe in this oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide, thus completing the cycle. This exchange of gases serves to regulate the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, preventing it from reaching levels that could prove detrimental to life. The water cycle, too, plays a crucial part. Water evaporates from the sea, forms clouds, and falls back to the Earth as rain, replenishing our rivers and lakes. It's a never-ending loop that ensures a continual supply of fresh water, vital for all forms of life. But it's not just about maintaining the status quo. The Earth also adapts to changes, often caused by its own inhabitants. When humans began industrialization, pumping more carbon dioxide into the atmosphere than ever before, the Earth responded. Trees started to grow faster, absorbing more carbon dioxide. While this isn't enough to offset the impact of human activity completely, it's a testament to Earth's resilience and adaptability. These cycles, these adaptations, they're all parts of a larger system. A living entity that breathes, adapts, and evolves. It's a system that has sustained life for billions of years and continues to do so, despite the challenges it faces. And so, our Earth continues to spin, a beacon of life in the vast cosmic sea, a testament to the power of persistence and adaptation.